Wagwan people, welcome back to the channel. In today's story, we have a lover girl who has been waiting for years for her Prince Charming to stop unlocking the doors of other women. What seemed like a fairy tale became a reality as the once cheating boyfriend has finally settled down. Have you ever met a girl who loved you so much that she was willing to stay with you even though you had a lot of girls in a bundle? Or, were you that guy who got caught and got dumped shortly after? Well, as it is said in Jamaica, puss and dog no have the same luck. In English, cat and dog do not have the same luck. Meaning, two persons can do the same thing but the result is totally different, with one being favored while the other gets the shorter end of the stick. Anyway guys, before we check out this story, please subscribe to the channel for more cheating stories like this one. So, without further ado, the letter to the pastor reads.
Dear Pastor, I have been reading your column for the last 7 years. I don't always agree with you, but I can see that you are a frank man and you don't care what others say about you. My pastor said that you should use the Bible when you are answering questions. So for that reason, he is very critical of you. Most of the people I know love your column. My co-workers discuss your column with each other all the time. You have helped to straighten out my boyfriend, because he used to believe that a woman should only be seen but not heard, and she should agree with everything her husband says. But I have pointed out to him that life cannot go like that. I quoted what you said in your column. You have caused many of us women to stand up for our rights. My boyfriend cheated on me 3 times. The first time I forgave him, but the second time I told him that I would put him out because he has no ambition. The woman he cheated with had no ambition, either, because she called me and told me that I should learn to keep my man. I told her that she could have him for good. I found out that he was not the only man she was involved with. She was having a relationship with her coworker, and she was married. When my boyfriend realized that I knew all these things, he stopped talking to her and asked me to forgive him. We went to counseling and told the counselor everything. So we are having a better relationship than ever before. Now he comes home and helps me to cook and assists me with the baby. He used to just come home and eat and watch sports. Thank you for your column. You are a father to many. KL.
Dear KL. Many years ago, a man saw me and engaged me in a conversation. He said he went to a particular church and heard a message from the preacher, who verbally attacked me. He told the congregation about certain topics that I dealt with in my column. He wanted them to know that he could not support these things. This man said he sat there and he listened keenly, and at the end of the service, he went to the preacher, introduced himself and said, "Those things you were saying about Aaron Duma are not true." I know the man and he defended me. He said, "Look, this is his number, call him and discuss the things that you have said today from the pulpit about him." The preacher took my number, but he never called me. The truth is, I did not expect him to call me. Some of these men can talk lots of things behind my back, so to speak, but they can't face me. They don't have any grounds to stand on. They take things out of context from the Bible. They are not even trained, so I would not waste my time talking to them, and I would not lose any sleep over what they say. The truth is, these guys are afraid of me. I am not afraid of criticism. I have been helping people over the years, and I will continue to do so until I am forced to give up. I am glad I have been able to help you and many others. I thank you for reading the column. I repeat, I am glad that I am being of help to you. I get many letters from young people like you, and I am happy that I have been a part of your life. I know that God is going to direct you. Be careful. Plan your future well, and may the good Lord direct your steps. Pastor.
Well guys, it seems this story was more of a letter of gratitude to dear pastor. But in any case, I would like to leave some reminders with you. As a man, it is good for you to ensure that you take care of your woman. As much as you do not want to be used by any woman, going 50-50 with a woman will make her soft spot dry up, and no seed sown on dry land will mount to anything. So, ensure you work towards that masculine frame and maintain it. If you are a man who wants to have more than one woman, you have to take care of the bills, Be in good shape and speak with confidence and dominate your woman, especially in bed. Women tend to mean the opposite of what they say, so the type of guy they want is not the type that makes their soft spot jump and the floodgates burst open. Hence, some men can have other women or cheat and be forgiven while others get cheated on or get dumped after they cheat. Do not be the guy she won't forgive. However, if you can keep her interested in you without entertaining other women, then that's the better route to take. Anyhow guys, let's check out the comment section for this one.
First comment says, "Thanks be to God he opened his heart to wisdom and understanding to have a better relationship." And the last comment says, "Son of a gun. I am surprised that your boyfriend believes that women should only be seen and not heard. I wonder why he believes such. And he was born in the Western world and he is a young man, no doubt. I know, they want to abuse women in every kind of way, but women should just take the abuse. What kind of nonsense? Any woman who believes or does that deserves everything she gets." Pastor Aaron is absolutely correct. Many of these Caribbean or Jamaican ministers are not trained, never been to Bible school and cannot deliver a sermon. When the members come out of church, no one says what they have learnt. What a waste of time. A topic may be given, then they shout about hell and more hell and fire. Anyway ladies, stand for something or fall for anything. Many men say they want a good woman, but in fact they want a fool to boss around and to play with. No sir. I am glad your boyfriend turned 360 degrees. I hope he takes you to the altar and be an example to your child.
Well guys, please remember to subscribe to the channel and be good to your woman, especially if she respects you, is loyal to you, and is willing to make the relationship work. Today, women see a traditional relationship as an oppressive situation. However, they still want a man to take care of the bills, be chivalrous and all that, while not wanting to be traditional due to a school of thought that has caused a divide, rather than unity. Ensure you and yours have that crucial conversation before you get serious, because you cannot be like cat and dog where you both are going in opposite directions. So, get on the same page and build a healthy relationship, not a toxic one. Anyway, have you guys ever been in a situation like this? What happened? Let us know in the comment section. Like the video because that really helps out a lot. And thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Love.